In this video, I want to talk about how you can transfer crypto from eToro to your wallet. Now, if you want to move it to your eToro wallet, or if you want to move it to an external wallet, you need to download the eToro Money app. So go on App Store and download eToro Money. This is basically a wallet for your crypto made by eToro, and you need to have the crypto in there before you can send it to another wallet. So you need to download that app, complete your profile. So I'm only 80% complete. You need to 100% complete it, and you need to add your phone number as well. Go on the app you just downloaded, sign in to your eToro account from the eToro Money, and then you can go and do this. So if you go to your portfolio and you select the crypto you want to transfer, click on the position, and there will be a transfer to wallet button. Now, since I'm not completed, you can see I cannot see the button because I'm only 80% completed. But if you've completed your profile completely and filled all the information and you have the eToro Money app, you will be able to transfer it from in there. Then if you want to transfer it even more to an external wallet, you want to open the app on the phone, eToro Money, select the crypto and press send, and then simply choose the address where you want to send it to. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.